Jai Hind, good morning. Today we are going to talk with our ex-student, Miss Bhagyasri Rajeshri Sunil Garge. She is an ex-student of our school of the year 2013. She has completed engineering in electronic and telecommunication from Pune University. Previously, she had worked in Tata Communication as an incident manager. Currently, she is working in Accenture as app and cloud analyst at Pune. So first of all, I would like to welcome her here in our school for the talk show. As our tradition of our school, first of all, I would like to request Honorable Principal Vikram sir, please welcome her by offering book. Please, sir. Please have a seat. So before start our talk show, I would like to request Mrs. Bhagyasri, please introduce yourself first of all.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Bhagyashree Sunil Garge. I have done my engineering degree from Pune University. Currently, I am working with Accenture as an app and cloud analyst. Previously, I was working in Tata Communication as an incident manager. And currently I have many clients under my, and the most important client which I am working with is German-based Allianz company.
Ma'am, just describe your most memorable experience in school whenever you were studying.
So it's a tough question because I will say that each and every day which I spend in this school with my friends and my respected teacher were my best days. So still I will share my one experience. It was a day when I was elected as a vice prefect of our school. Okay, so that day was actually it was a very nice day because every my friends, my juniors supported me. They have given me vote, and that was very nice. Means, being a leader of any group, that was the first time for me. And the Hasti Public School conducts election in such a nice way. No, even our state and country election are also not in that way. In such a nice way, elections are taking the place in Hasti Public School. So that was very nice experience, and it is an unforgettable day for me. So thank you, sir.
Very good.
Okay, ma'am, when you were little, what did you want to be when you grew up?
So I would rather say that what all I didn't want to become when I was small. I'm getting very many flashbacks because when I was a kid from nursery to fifth, sixth standard, I was like I want to become engineer, doctor, teacher, pilot, businessman. Means every year, every grade, I will say literally every grade, I used to change my mind. If I saw any personality, nice personality in any particular field, or I heard some fascinating story, I was like that I want to become like him. Means every grade I used to change my focus, but when I got some sort of understanding from say 6, 7 standard, I was like that I want to become engineer. And then I focused on my skill. I developed my skill, and that way I focused completely on engineering. And today I have become what I wanted. So this was.
Okay. So Bhagyasri, here I would like to ask one question to you. If you were in charge of the school, so what is the first thing you would like to change in the school?
So if I was in charge of a school, I will say that learning should be a play-based learning because many research and many papers says that students learn more faster if we are teaching them in a play type. I mean, if we are giving some game to them and then we are giving teaching to them, then it is very fast learning because as we know that how many sense organ we are using at the time of learning, it's very important because if you are reading then only your eyes are getting used, but you are playing then you can hear your eye, you can see, so your 2 3 sense organ are getting used. Means what, it's very fast learning. So this is important. And next thing, social and emotional skills should be added because
Yes.
because when students grow up, in their life, social and emotional skills are very important to get a success, because there might be a time when you will get failure. Means up and downs are always there in life. So students should not get depressed in that time. They should encourage themselves. So that emotional and social skills are also important. So that should be included in our regular curriculum.
Good. This with IQ, EQ is also very
Yes,
important
right.
to develop in the students.
Yes.
You are correct. Bhageshri, you know very well the role of friends in our life. So here I would like to ask you, still do you keep in touch with your school friends?
Yes, obviously, I'm still in contact with all my school friends, and I'm very happy that each and every student, friend from my batch, have reached their goal, and they are now expert in their fields. I can say example like Himali is now CA, Kanak and Kajal both are now architecture. Ayushi is now doctor. Saroni has done her MBA. So I'm very happy that all my friends are in different fields and they are expert in their field. So we meet usually when we all are here in Gondaicha, we come to our hometown. So we meet, we have fun, we discuss on our career. We have our WhatsApp group where every day we talk. So it's a very happy moment that all my friends which we were sitting here and now everyone are in other field and they are expert in that field. So it's a quite happy moment for us also.
Yes, correct.
Okay. So, what do you think, Ajay, what do you think that what role school has played for what you are today?
So first of all, I will like to thank our Kakaji and Kailash sir for starting this Hasti Public School, because I will really say that Hasti Public School is a blessing for us. It's really a blessing for us, because in a rural town like Dondaicha, getting such a nice platform, nice educational platform, it's a really very important thing, because Hasti Public School is giving a nice platform of learning. They encourage students to take part in sports and other activities. I will say literally no other school will give this platform. And special thanks to all the teachers, because they are personally giving attention to each and every students in the class. So that is very important. In any metro city also, there is no such school or no such staff which gives such a individual attention to students. So that is very important. And I have seen every staff and teachers, they are working very hard.
Yes.
And that is important, because the foundation of building is strong, that building can get any height. In the same way, Hasti Public School is creating the foundation of students strong. So that is the important role of Hasti Public School in my life. They have created my foundation strong, so I have reached my height.
Good. Correct.
Very good. Thank you. That you have appreciated your teachers. What would you like to say of our students, those who are studying now presently?
Okay, so I will like to tell them that focus on your career, don't get disturbed, have your aim, first take look at whatever is going in the world. Okay, observe that thing, plan accordingly, and just shoot your aim in one shot. So because now competition has increased, at the last moment if you are thinking on doing something, it's not right. Okay, so first observe the thing and then plan accordingly. And next thing is whatever may be in your life, success, failure, be strong, take it positively, because everything happens for a reason. So even if you are getting any failure or success, don't be normal and take it positively. Everything. That's it.
Okay. Yes, Bhageshri, you are very correct. Means every student, they should have their goal set,
Yes.
and according to their goal set and planning, they move forward. So next year, Bhageshri, everybody knows hard work is the key of success in each and everyone's life. So do you believe that hard work is only the key to success?
So I will say that hard working is not only the key to success, but definitely it is a master key to success, because hard working opens many other doors. Okay, I will not say just hard working will take you and you will reach your heights, because hard working with the smart work is an important. Okay, if you are doing some work and you are saying that I have worked so hard, so I have done so much efforts, but if you are doing that efforts in wrong direction, then that hard working is of no use. So I will suggest that you should work hard, but you should plan properly before working what you are doing. Before ending your inputs, you should plan and you should do your work in right direction. Then your hard working will definitely will help you to reach your heights.
Yes, according to you, means planning and hard work.
Yes.
What are the key to success?
Yes, smart working.
Smart work.
Smart work.
Not only hard work, smart work
Smart
is
work
also
is also
important.
very important. Yes, very good. Bhagyashree, you know very well. Behind the success of each and every person, we have a role model.
Yes.
So you have such a role model, and why?
Who is your role
Who is your
model?
role
So
model?
my role models are my parents because my parents are my first teacher, my advisor. They were always with me in my highs and lows. They always supported me, no matter what the situation is. They were always behind me. They always encouraged me. And I will say that my father taught me that you should work hard, no matter what is the situation. You should give a 100%. Don't think about the result what you are getting. And my mother told me that whatever the situation, accept it and be happy. You should always have a smile on your face. So that is important. And I will miss. They know me properly and they always encourage me. So they are my role model.
Okay, Bhagyashree, it is your greatness. You have given your success to your parents.
Yes.
So I would like to know one last question. What message you want to give to the new generation?
Okay, so as I said earlier, that plan accordingly first, and then give your best shot, because competition has increased too much in today's generation. So you should plan accordingly. Focus on your studies or whatever your aims are there. I will not say only studies. Whatever your interests are there, sports, other activities. So you should focus on it, plan accordingly, and you should be emotionally strong, get socialized with people, because when you get socialized you get up with new ideas. Okay, so everyone can help you. So that is only key. You should focus on your study and give your best shot.
Okay, Bhagyashree. Really, we are very happy with you or have a talk show with you. So, on the behalf of our school, I'm very thankful to you. You have given your precious and valuable time to us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.